Hello, kids. Well, in this opportunity, you have to circle the beginning sound of each word. ¿Ok? En esta oportunidad tienen que circular el sonido con el que empieza cada una de las palabras. ¿Ok? You have to circle the beginning sound of each word. Good. Let's do the first one as an example, okay? The first one is key. 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 What is the beginning sound of key? Is it a, or Oh, yes, very good. It's excellent. Very good. Well, the next one is horse. 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 What is the beginning sound of horse? Is it h, k, or p? You have to tell me. The next one. The next one is parrot. 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 What is the beginning sound of parrot? Is it oo, or p? You tell me. The next one is egg. 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 What is the beginning sound of egg? Is it wa, or e? The next one is iguana. 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 What is the beginning sound of iguana? Iguana. Is it I, Z, or X? The last one is money. 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 Okay? What is the beginning sound of money? Is it p, or o? You tell me. Very good, kids.